Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you have been trying to get approved for credit cards, but you're worried about hard pulls on Experian or Equifax, today's video is definitely for you. Now, in this video, we're going to be breaking down 5 credit cards that commonly pull from TransUnion. And some of these are easier to get approved for, even if your credit score isn't perfect. So stick with me to the end of this video. I'll also share tips to increase your chances of approval no matter which bureau they pull from. First up, the Upgrade Cash Reward Visa. Now, this card is known for using TransUnion for their credit pool. Now, what makes it stand out is that it works kind of like a personal loan and a credit card combined. Now, with this credit card, you can get 1.5% cash back on everything. There is also no annual fee and fixed monthly payments. Now, this is a solid choice if you are rebuilding credit and don't want to risk variable APRs. Now, with this credit card, they do offer credit lines ranging from $500 up to $25,000. And again, this credit card is good for people that are looking to rebuild their personal credit. Next is the Chase Freedom Flex card. Now, this card gives you 5% cash back on rotating categories like groceries, gas, or PayPal purchases up to $1,500 each quarter. They also give you 3% back on dining in drugstores and 1% on everything else. Now, many applicants report Chase often checks TransUnion, especially for this card, plus no annual fee, which makes it beginner friendly. Now, for the Chase Freedom Flex card, they do have a minimum of 500 that you can be approved for, but reports are exceeding limits up to $18,000 as well. Now, third on the list is Discovered Cashback. Now, this card is famous for matching all the cashback you earn in the first year. So, if you earn $200 in reward, Discover will double it to $400. Now, they are also known from pulling from TransUnion in many states, making it a great option if you want to avoid multiple real pulls. Now, with this credit card, they do have reports credit limits ranging from $2,000 as a minimum and as high as $56,000 that you can be approved for. And of course, with any kind of credit limit as high as that, it is all based on credit worthiness and your income and your payment history. Number 4 is for my travelers out there, the Chase Sapphire reverse card. Now, with this card, it does come with premium perks, $300 annual travel credit, 3 times points on dining and travel, and priority pass luggage access. Now, I want you all to keep in mind it has a very, very high annual fee, but many reporters show Chase leans on TransUnion for this pool. Now, if you travel a lot and have strong income, this card can definitely be worth it. Now, with the Chase Sapphire Reverse card, they have a minimum credit limit of $10,000, but as high as $100,000 or even more with this card. And this credit card is good for people, again, who enjoy traveling and who also has a credit score of 750 and above. And last but not least, the Citi Double Cash. Now, you can earn 2% cash back on everything, 1% when you buy, and another 1% when you pay it off. Now, this card is one of the most simplest, most reliable cashback cards out there, and the city often uses TransUnion for their applicants. Now, they do have minimum credit limits of 500 that you can be approved for, and there are reports that they also have higher limits up to $50,000. Now, before you apply for any of these credit cards, please remember issuers can pull from more than one credit bureau. Now, which credit bureau they use may depend on your state and your profile. To improve your odds, check for pre qualification offers on their websites first. That way, you can see if you're likely to be approved without taking a hard hit on multiple credit reports. So there you have it, 5 credit cards that pull from TransUnion. I want you all to comment below and let me know which one are you thinking about applying for or which one do you already have. And if you found this information helpful, please make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe and check out the description. I'll link my website and more resources to help you build your credit the smart way. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.